This video will show you how to print out the project summary, okay, and also some printing function and backup function. So if you want to print out the summary of this project, you can go to project summary, and then you can see the preview, and then you want to print out, you can export to Excel, or you can print to PDF with price or without price. Let's say with price. So the system will automatic print to PDF. So you can see from here. Okay, so this is a project summary. Let's say go back to project builder. Okay, if you want to print out some BQ, you can double click. You can go to print BQ here. You can print all if you want. You can just print all, and then the system will automatic print to PDF also. Okay, so you can select print all and close it. If you want to setting some of the BQ layout, okay, for example, for example, I open one, let's say frame. Okay, so you can see the frame, the BQ by default is our system like this. Let's say for example this formworks, okay, is supposedly to the next page in your original, let's say tender BQ. You can set also this one to move to the next page. Okay, what you need to do is you just close, go to the frame. If you want to see the BREF reference, you can just right click here, BREF. Okay, so you can see the BREF. Just now is this one, the formworks. Okay, so you can just change the head here to head and that means it will move to the new page. Okay, so when you go back, elements, you go to print BQ, and then you go to print again. So you can see it stop here, and then it will move to next page. Okay, so this is how to adjust the BQ lah. You can adjust the BQ font also. You can close. You can go to BQ printout setting. You can change the heading type, okay, and also the font size, okay, and also the page format, standard phrases, header and footer. So these all you can setting, okay. And then if you want to export, okay, let's say this BQ want to export to another project which is quite similar, you can use our backup. If you click backup here, export backup. Okay, so you download. Okay, so you just go to save. Okay, so this export backup it will show in eBQ file. Okay, we also have another method is you can export to Excel. You go to export bill, you click, and then can stick, let's say all elements, quantity and rates, export, download. So this one we will export in Excel format. Okay, so you can see, let's say I save it, I open this Excel file. Okay, so you can see this is this is a BQ from Excel for different element as well. Okay, so this is how to export to Excel. Okay, let's say for example, after I export, I want to import to new project, another project. I can go to here, build space, project builders. Let's say I open another project from here. Let's say for example this project A, double click. Let's say I want to import to here. I can just go to here, backup, import backup, select. Yeah, so you can see the eBQ, import. Okay, so you can see imported. So if you import backup, that means we'll import everything. If you double click, you still can see your BR rates. You can see from here, markup, everything is still there. Okay, all the BR rates still there. So this is the backup function. Okay, it will backup everything. Okay, if you import, okay, for example, I go to add a new bill here. Let's say bill number 5. Okay, just now I export the Excel also. If I want to import to here, also can. You can go to import from file, import bill. Okay, you can select, and then you can choose the file. Let's say this one just now. Open it. You can tick all. You can import rates and quantity as well. Import as new or import into existing bill. Let's say existing bill. So imported already, and then you double click. And then you double click again. You can see from here. Okay, but this one without the build up, you can see only the final rates. Okay, you will import the final rates only. So there's a difference, okay, between the export bill and the export backup and import backup.